Since we now live in an age where you can order cupcakes to your door in under an hour thanks to Amazon Prime, we wanted to look at what might happen in the future if companies knew everything about us. You click, you scroll, you search, you share your email address, you select a service, subscribe to a newsletter. For some time now, the internet has been collecting information about you. This is used to construct what is known as a digital profile. We talk with Sarah Gold about how we don't own our own data.
A digital profile is a representation of your online life, everything you do on the web. Digital profiles start when you're very young. In fact, they start from the very first moment you touch any connected service. When a parent makes an email address for you, when you first start using an Xbox or PlayStation, when you're online messaging a friend. Every person has many digital profiles. They're fragmented and we have no control of any of them.
Our personal data is being collected, but surely this information isn't of any use to anyone, is it?
By the time you're an adult, your digital profile is vast and holds a huge quantity of different information about you. By then, you've been using a phone, a tablet, had several email addresses, different social media pages, perhaps used dating websites.
We can all lose interest in the menial things. Sometimes it can be easier to let those who know us best make the simple decisions for us.
All the data from those services will be aggregated in several different fragmented digital profiles about you. The life of someone who's had a digital profile since birth is quite bleak. You could imagine that their whole life has been predetermined by algorithms or bots. Their whole life has become mediated by code. Decisions they've made, from what to buy for their supper to thinking about what kind of film they should use, or maybe even what language they should use in a text message, may all have been given to them from algorithms from their digital profile. Whilst they think they have choice, they don't, and they've lost their freedoms. Companies collect the data because their business model depends on our data, the information economy. So services invest in technologies that are designed to gather as much personal data as possible. In this scenario, our data fuels their business and we have become the product. I think we need to flip the data paradigm so that we own our own data. And this is a really critical disruptive shift, because by owning our own data, we move from being disempowered consumers of the web to becoming citizens of the network. We should care about who owns our data, because ultimately it's going to change the future that we're going to live in.